Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install Claude Code in our terminal. The first thing is just go to your PC and open terminal. Once you've opened terminal, you can just enter this command to install Claude Code in your terminal. But you might notice here npm. This is called Node Package Manager. And before installing Claude Code, you need to have npm installed in your system. If you don't have npm installed, check the link in the description below and you will be able to install npm. To check if you have npm installed or not, just enter this command npm --version, and if you see a version, that means npm is installed. If you see an error that says npm command not found, you don't have npm installed. So to fix that, check the video in the description below and npm will be installed. After that, you can just enter this command and Claude Code will be downloaded and installed. Now Claude Code is installed. So let's see how we can use this. You can close your terminal now and let's create a new project folder. I'll just call it new project. Go inside the project and open terminal in this directory. So you can just click here and enter cmd if you are on Windows, and your terminal will be open inside your project directory. If you are on Mac OS or Linux, just open terminal and browse to your project directory, and here just enter this command. Once the terminal is open, just enter this command, that is Claude, hit enter, and Claude should run. But if you see an error that says Claude is not recognized as an internal or external command, that is because Claude is not added to your environment variables. So what you can do is enter this command npm config get prefix. Hit enter and you will see a directory. This is where your npm libraries are installed. Just select this and right click to copy it. Now press your Windows key and type environment variables and you will see something like this that says edit environment variables for your account. Click on this. Here you will see this path. Double click on this. Double click on this empty row at the bottom. Paste the path that you had just copied from the terminal. Hit OK. Hit OK and close the terminal and let's open it again. Now this time, again enter the command Claude, hit enter, and as you can see the error is gone and now Claude is processing. As you can see, Claude is now open. Let's maximize our terminal, and when you're running for the first time, you'll have to make some configurations. Here, first you get to choose which terminal you want, dark mode, light mode, or so on. You can just use your arrow keys and check how your terminal will look like. I'll just choose the default dark mode, hit enter, and now you'll have two options to log in. That is, you either access Claude account with subscription or you use Anthropic console account with API usage billing. You can just choose which one you have. So if you have Claude account, just hit enter and you will be taken to your browser. Here you can just click on authorize and you can just close your browser after authorization. Right now this user doesn't have Claude Code Max or Pro, so it is saying to upgrade. In your case, if you are upgraded, you can just click on authorize and you will be able to use Claude Code in your terminal. Once you have authorized it, you can just write any message here directly as if you're chatting in your web browser and everything will work fine. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.